Alright, so my weekend is not off to a good start. I went to get some money from Western Union, the one in Shibuya. That shop is closed and cleared out. And other Western Unions, I don't know if there's any. I'm searching, but I'm gonna have to find. Let's see, but look at. So anyway, so here and look at them, look at the police, look at them discriminating again. So yeah, this is what happens in Japan. He has dreads here, and I'm gonna search him now and ask stuff. I don't know why, but so yeah, well, that's out here. This is the things that people do. So let's search him. I don't know why. So apparently, anybody with dread here has drugs and that sort of thing, or being dangerous, you know. So this is. Why are you taking out my clothes? What is this? Wow.